heart of the African savanna. A young elephant calf named Leo awakens to the golden sunrise. Leo trumpets softly, but feels his sounds are just noise compared to the world around him. Suddenly, Leo hears a beautiful melody, the synchronized calls of zebras in the distance. Curious, Leo follows the sound, his tiny steps barely making a mark on the dusty earth. As he gets closer, the zebra calls mix with the chirping of colorful birds in the acacia trees. The symphony continues as gentle giraffes join in with their soft, melodic calls from the treetops. Then a powerful roar echoes across the plains, the lions adding their deep notes to the wild orchestra. Frightened by the unfamiliar roar, Leo turns and runs back toward the safety of his family. As he calms his breathing, Leo begins to listen again, noticing how each sound has its own place in the melody. He realizes the wild isn't just noise. It's a beautiful symphony where every creature has an important voice. With newfound confidence, Leo trumpets again, but this time his sound blends perfectly with the wild orchestra. As the sun sets, Leo understands every voice matters in the untold symphony of the safari.